Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here today to bring you a tutorial on how I go from having my hair straight back into curly. I've been natural for almost 2 years and I straighten my hair 3, maybe 4 times a year. Today I'm actually going to be trying the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, and it looks like this. It's supposed to repair and strengthen, and it's for all hair types. And I've seen this going around, and a lot of curly girls have used it and they loved it, so I thought, hey, why not try it today, since I am going from having my hair straightened for about 2 weeks. And this is how my hair looks after 2 weeks. I don't do touch-ups. I get my hair done in the salon, and literally I just wrap it up until I can't anymore, and it's when it starts looking bad, which is usually about 2 weeks, that's when I go ahead and wash my hair. So I'm gonna go and try this. It says applied 1 time per week. For damaged hair, 2 times to 3 times per week, which I don't have damaged hair. My hair is actually very healthy right now. It's the healthiest ever been, and it's actually the longest it's ever been. It's like mid of my back already. And so then it says apply on damp towel, dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated, and then leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes longer if desired. Rinse hair, then shampoo and condition as usual. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm gonna just dampen my hair. I would have went in the shower, but so I can show you guys how much just dampen it. Alrighty, so my hair is pretty damp right now, so you guys can see. Okay. Alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Once I move this, my nails are too long to open things. Mind you, they're not even that long. Okay. It says apply a generous amount from scalp to ends. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part my hair off. Right now I have this much. So I applied a generous amount already. Add a little bit more. Massage it into my scalp. So this is how my hair looks right now. Like my curls are like semi-back, but they're not back yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it and leave it we're gonna leave it for, it says 10 minimum, so I'm gonna do 15 minutes. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Hey guys, so I'm back. And I actually left the Olaplex for 35 minutes. I got distracted and yeah. So this is how my hair is looking. As you guys can see, my hair has shrunk like almost, well, my hair was here and it has shrunk that much already. So what I'm gonna do now is jump in the shower. Hey guys, so this is how my hair looks after I washed it. I decided not to deep condition so I can see the results just using the Olaplex and then just my shampoo and conditioner. And for style, and to style my hair today, I'm going to be using the Jamaican Castor Oil by Shea Moisture, the Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is like one of my favorites. As you guys can see, like I'm literally down to the end. And then for my hair, I'm gonna be using the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Gel. Alright guys, so this is my hair already with product in it. It's styled. This is how it's looking. I am enjoying this for the first time that I am using it. It is a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle and I believe it retails for $28. So I mean, I used about this much for my whole hair, which is actually not bad. I actually thought I was going to be using like half now and then half later. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is about 85% diffused. This is looking nice and bouncing. So far I am liking that Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Gel. It's very light, which usually I don't like light products, but so far it has enough hold. And yeah, so this is how my hair is looking. And this is day one hair. Well, wash day hair. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, please like, and any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below.